Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now let us see next question, that is question number 2. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. See here, the important point is that points of trisection. Let us see what is the meaning of trisection first. For example, if you have taken a line of length 30 centimeter, just for example I am saying, okay, to make you to understand the concept of trisection, you just take a line segment of length 30 centimeter. Let us divide AB, that is a 30 centimeter line, into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. So here, can you guess what is the each part will be? 30 centimeter is to be done 3 equal parts. So here 3 1s are 3 10s are. So each part is of 10 centimeter. So this is 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. This is also 10 centimeter. Clear? Let us take this point as P, this point as Q. That means first point what you need to understand, to get the point of trisection or points of trisection, we need to find 2 points. 2 points can make the given line segment into 3 equal parts. See here, PA is the first part, PQ is the second part, and QB is the third part. Is it clear? That means we need to find 2 points on the line segment AB. That is first thing. And what about the ratio? How P divides AB, means in what ratio that P divides AB. Let us see here. See, AP is 10. AP, here I am writing, AP is 10 centimeter. PB means P2B is 10 plus 10. PB is 10 plus 10 means 20 centimeter. Now let us find the ratio of AP and PB. So now let us take AP by PB is equal to 10 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Let us cancel centimeter. So we get 10 by 20. 10 1s are 10 2s are. So 1 by 2. Ratio means 1:2. Is it clear? If AP by PB is 1 by 2, then AP is to PB is 1:2. So here P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Is it clear? P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Now, can we find how Q divides? How Q divides? You see, from A to Q, how many parts are there? 10 centimeter you take as one part, this is second part, this is third part. So here you see, for Q, how many parts are there left side? Means towards A, 2 parts are there. So 2 10s are 20, we are taking 10 centimeter as one part. See earlier, P divides in the ratio 1:2 means you see one part is 10 centimeter, 2 parts 10 plus 10 20 centimeter. Now come back to the Q now. Q divides AB also. Here you see first part, second part means 2 parts is to 1 part, means the ratio is Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. If not, A to Q how much? 10 plus 10 20. 20 by this is 10. 20 by 10 is 10 by 20 is 1 by 2. 20 by 10 is 2 by 1 means 2:1. So here Q divides AB in the ratio, here I am writing Q divides in the ratio 2:1. Is it clear? P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. So here we are going to find points of trisection, means first point divides AB in the ratio 1:2 and second point in the ratio 2:1. So now we came to conclusion that here P divides in the ratio 1:2, here 2. Here you take point Q, here I am writing this 2. Here you take point Q. Q divides AB in the ratio, this part is 2 and this is 1. Clear? So here let us find 2 points, that is P, which divides AB internally in the ratio 1:2. So to not to get confused, here I round up 1, P and 2. That means you need to understand that P divides AB internally in the ratio 1:2. Which one I did not round up? Q, 1 and 2 I did not round up. That means you need to understand that Q divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio 2:1. Clear? Now here let us solve the problem. He is asking find the points of trisection. So let the points of trisection be P and Q. Is it clear? So here that implies P divides AB in the ratio P divides in the ratio 1:2 internally. So let us write the section formula, then we are going to solve this problem. So let us write here section formula. Section formula is m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. Right? This is the suitable formula for solving this problem. Based on this formula, let us substitute the values. Here we can take A as given first value 4, minus 1, A 4, minus 1, and B minus 2, minus 3. This minus 2, minus 3 is for B. After finding P, we will find Q. So not to get confused, here what we will do, or else here we will draw. So here I am drawing, this is A 4, minus 1, here B minus 2, minus 3. Actually here I want to take P separately, Q separately, instead of rubbing here. So here this is the P, what we need to find, P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Clear? So let us find the first point P. See, 1 into something plus 2 into something by 1 plus 2. Let us write first like that. That will be easy. 1 into something plus 2 into something by 1 plus 2 is 3. Again 1 into something plus 2 into something by 1 plus 2 is 3. Now we are going to fill up these somethings, means these blanks. What will come here? x2 will come here, x1 will come here. See, x2 is minus 2, x1 is 4. So I am writing here minus 2 and 4. Here y2 is minus 3, y1 is minus 1. So here minus 3 and minus 1. Clear? Now let us simplify this. I am going to change the bracket also. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 2 4s are 8 by 3. Clear? 1 into minus 3 plus and minus, minus 2 1s are 2 by 3. Clear? If we simplify, we get the answer. 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is 2. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Minus 5 by 3. Let us write as it is. Clear? Therefore, your first answer, that is P. P we got it as 2, minus 5 by 3. Right? Now, let us find the value of Q also, means coordinates of Q also. Right? So, here let us conclude here we got the P first point as 2, minus 5 by 3. 1 point we got, and we are going to find the value of Q also. Now, here finding Q, finding coordinates of Q. Earlier we have found P as 2, minus 5 by 3. Now we are going to find Q. As you know, here if we draw the diagram again, A 4, minus 1, here B minus 2, minus 3. Here you see Q comes here. So I am writing Q exactly at its place. So here these two are the two parts. So Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. Right? Let us write the same. You can write here as Q divides AB in the ratio. The ratio is 2:1 internally. So let us write the section formula. Section formula is M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2 comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. Clear? So this is the formula we are going to use to simplify this problem. So now let us substitute these values here. M1 means 2, M2 means 1, or else we can write here, no problem. This is M1, this one is M2, this is x1 y1, x2 y2. So let us find Q now. Q is equal to here 2 into something plus 1 into something. 2 into something plus 1 into something by 2 plus 1 is 3. Right? Same way 2 into something plus 1 into something by 2 plus 1 is 3. Now we are going to fill up these blanks. These blanks with x2, x1. See, minus 2 and then 4. Minus 2 and then 4. Now y2, y1. Minus 3 and minus 1. Minus 3 and minus 1. Clear? So here let us simplify this. 2 into minus 2, minus 4, plus 1 into 4 is plus 4 by 3, comma 2 into minus 3, 2 3s are minus 6. Here plus and minus is minus, so 2 3 are 6. Plus into minus is minus, 1 1 are 1 by 3. Right? So on simplification, minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled, 0 by 3 is 0. Minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7, so minus 7 by 3. Right? So here we got second point, that is Q, as 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So here let us write Q value 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Right? And here I would like to tell you, actually with this problem over. After finding P and Q, problem over. But the thing is that I would like to tell you that an alternate method is there to solve, especially for finding Q. Now let us discuss that alternate method also. Right? Now after finding P value minus 2 comma minus 5 by 3, I would like to tell you how to find Q in alternate method. So here finding Q in an alternative method means another method is there to find Q. Alternative method. Right? Here after finding P, I am writing P here, this is the value of P, this is 2 comma minus 5 by 3, this is P. Already given B is already given, that is minus 2 comma minus 3. Right? Here let us write the Q here. You observe here the relation among P, B and Q. Observe carefully here. AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. That means P and Q, they divide the line segment joining AB into 3 equal parts. That means AP equal to PQ equal to QB. Right? Now what about PQ and B? Here you can easily find it out that Q divides PB equally. Is it clear? See, this part is equal to this part equal to this part means, you find out about this AP, this part is equal to this part means PQ equal to QB. PQ equal to QB means nothing but Q divides PB equally. Is nothing but Q is the midpoint of PB. Is it clear? Q is midpoint of PB. So here in alternate method we can use that point. So clearly Q is the midpoint of the line segment P and B, nothing but PB. As we know midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So based on this formula we can find Q. Instead of doing 2:1 you can do in this method also. So here at is midpoint, bracket is to be kept. It is a point, right? Point should be in the form x comma y, then bracket coordinates. Now here let us substitute the values now. So here Q is equal to, see this is x1 y1, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. x1 plus x2 by 2 means here I am going to change this bracket. So here x1 is 2 plus y1 is minus 2. 2 plus minus 2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, y1 is minus 5 by 3 plus y2 is minus 3 by 2. So on simplifying this we will get Q value. Let us simplify this. See 2 plus and minus is minus, it is 2 minus 2 by 2, right? Let us take LCM, 3 as LCM. Here minus 5 comes as it is, minus 5 plus into minus is minus, 3 3s are 9 by here this 3 will be multiplied by this 2. See here actually this 2 becomes into, if you write it becomes 1 by 2, it is 2 by 1 in fact, it will become 1 by 2. That 1 will multiply this numerator, that 2 will multiply this denominator, already 3 is there. So there 3 is already there, that will be multiplied by this 2. Is it clear? Now here 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 by 2 is 0. Minus 5 minus 9 is minus 14 by 3 into 2 is 6. Let us again cancel this one in second table. 2 7s are 2 3s are. So here finally we got Q as 0 comma minus 7 by 3, right? This is the value of Q. Here you see earlier we got 0 comma minus 7 by 3. That means this is the alternative method to find Q by using midpoint formula. However it is, finally we got P value and Q value, those are the requirements. So here let us write, therefore the points of trisection are, let us write the points in the same order. You don't change the order again. First you write P value only, that is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. 2 comma minus 5 by 3, and second one is Q, that is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. With this second problem gets completed.